Hi everybody, what's up? I'm Koji. Today I want to talk about something about life apoptosis. Apoptosis for life. That is the topic I want to talk about today. So, have you ever heard of apoptosis? No? Yes or no? You can search online and it gives you the explanation, fully scientific and very proper words of explanation and definition. You can get it from going to the internet and or ask agent to to get the sense of the the meaning of apoptosis. Well, apoptosis is the self-destruction function for our body. For creatures, every creature have apoptosis feature. Biological creatures have the same function, which is to sculpt our body where it should be. So, for example, with apoptosis working to shape our hand, because the cells duplicate and are multiplied and increase the number of cells to grow as it grows, and apoptosis working where it reaches the border of the shape. So, for example, if apoptosis doesn't work, our hands look like a paddle. You know, it doesn't form these fingers without apoptosis. And apoptosis is also working in reflection body. So when the cells gets old and it doesn't work properly, and the apoptosis switch on, turn on, and the cell, all the cells diminish. The it dies automatically, and and replaced with the new one. So apoptosis is working in our ecology and in our body ecology, and really deep inside of our system. And if apoptosis is broken, sometimes it happens in our body, and we call it a cancer. Cancer is what is apoptosis malfunctioning. So when the cell loses its apoptosis feature and losing its autodestructive function, so it's not now having to, it's not going to die where it's reaching the border or unnecessary area, and it's just keep growing and increasing. And so the certain part, the cancer cell, is just keep growing, and it influences other areas of body. So that's what the cancer is. So apoptosis is really important, and this is the analogy. What I want to give is the apoptosis of life. When we tend to we tend to broke this apoptosis feature in our life as we grow. You know what I mean? As we grow, we take various kinds of poison to experience something fun, and we just we just never stop to seeking the pleasure, enjoying the pleasure, the overindulging things, like whatever the thing, the pleasure you feel, we tend to overtake in those. And apoptosis for life broken, and that ends up making out of shape in everywhere, and body getting out of shape because overtaken nutrients to overeating habits, and the lifestyle out of shape, getting out of shape because you don't wake up you don't wake up early. The wake up time it varies day by day. You stay up late with doing nothing because you're seeking something fun, and those kind of things. Every every area of life, if you break apoptosis, if your life apoptosis is broken, in every area of your life is getting broken because it malfunctioning. So we gotta get the apoptosis working properly for our life too, as our body doing. So here's the cure. We can cure. We don't exactly know how to cure the cancer, but some cases prove that the mindset can cure the cancer. Just like that, more easily we can cure the lifestyle habit, which we broke the apoptosis, malfunctioning lifestyle. We can cure it with our will. That is the discipline. Discipline is apoptosis for life. So it sculpts our life, and it rejects bad habits to coming in. It stops overtaking anything. So you can stay healthy. It will help you stay healthy so that you can be in the way it should be. So the waking up time, getting up early at the exact same time and every day, and doing things, the healthy things every day as a routinely, and going to the bed routinely every time. It's a regulation for our life, and apoptosis working as where it should be. So in a life too, we gotta apply the apoptosis, and we gotta maintain the God's rule, the life where it should be. We gotta wake up, and we gotta get up early, and we gotta work out, and we gotta maintain our body and mind, and we eat healthy. Don't take bad food. And someone says we are what we eat. So you gotta be careful what you put in your body, because you are what you eat. You are what you take into your body, put it into your body. So don't take poison too much. Don't take a bad food too much, because it ruins you from inside. That's true thing. That's the reality. If you put poisonous thing into your body, and your body ruin it from inside. And so be careful for what you eat, and be careful what you put into your body, and eat healthy, and doing habit to help others, to and prioritize manners over logic. And those are the apoptosis for our life. It's not adding things to do. It's rejecting and reducing what is unnecessary. So we gotta get apoptosis working properly for our life too, so that we can be in a way where it should be. So making apoptosis working properly is a great habit. So okay guys, better habit, better life. I wish your dream life come true, and I love you guys. Thank you always, and I see you in the next video. Peace.